guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix JioHotstar error on your PC or in your laptop. As you can see guys, in my screen you are offline. If you are also facing the same type of problem error on your JioHotstar, so this video is only for you. Please watch this video till end very carefully. So let's get started to the solution one by one. So when you're facing this error, so first you need to close the JioHotstar on your PC. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to check your internet connection. Okay, if the internet connection is not good or running slow, at that time you can definitely face this kind of problem error. So 90% reason behind this error is this guys, due to your internet connection. First you need to sort out your internet connection. Okay, second main important thing is this guys, you need to check your PC date and time settings. If the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct it. Okay, so I am using Windows 11. Go to Windows settings, go to time and language. From here you can easily able to correct your date and time. Okay, afterwards guys, open the JioHotstar. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Okay, so this is the two main reason behind this error. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem error on your JioHotstar, now you can try the next method. Okay, so if you are using the JioHotstar on your web browser, now you need to update your browser. To update the browser, click on three dots. I am using Google Chrome. Go to help, go to about Google Chrome, and from here you can easily able to update the browser. After updating, one more thing you need to do, you need to clear your browsing data like history, caches, cookies, everything. Okay, from here just select this all boxes and then click on clear data, delete data, and then try to open your JioHotstar. Hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try this method. If you are using any third-party extension, or if you are using any VPN on your PC or in your browser, you need to remove this. Okay, so what happens sometimes, this will also create this type of issues for your JioHotstar. That's why you need to remove it. Okay, from your PC. After removing guys, now close your browser, open the JioHotstar once again on your browser, and if you have not login into your JioHotstar account, you need to log in. Okay, after login, you need to play some videos, contain whatever you want to play, just play it, and hopefully this will helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you need to try to open the JioHotstar on different web browser like Firefox. This all browser is available. Just interchange your web browser. This will helps you to fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix this kind of irritating error on JioHotstar error you are offline. So comment down below which option, which method was work with you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.